is Lilima. I've been meaning to post this video for a very long time because I posted this video maybe 2 years ago, and even now I still get DMs or comments asking me to do a detailed breakdown of this look. When I filmed this look 2 years ago, I did not have any eyeshadow palette or any of the eye makeup brushes. I just used my eyeliner, my mascara, an eye pencil and a brown lip liner and just my fingers to blend everything out. So that's exactly how I'm going to show it to you guys today. So I've just done my skincare and primer. Back then I used to use this skin tint from Maybelline, but unfortunately it's not sold in India, so I'm trying to save as much as I can. Right now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Nude. I feel like it gives a similar finish. So I just dot it all over my face and blend it out with a brush. Oh, and by the way, my shade is number 50. I like it when my base is skin-like, so I don't really mind dark spots here and there. And I use this brush from Posh Beauty, and I use really tiny strokes downwards to blend them out. I feel like when you really take time with blending out with the brush, your base just looks so much smoother and blended out. See, the base is really glowy and a bit sheer, and you can still see some of the dark spots on my cheeks. But that's alright. Next, I used a brightening concealer under my eyes and just these areas where I'm dote in it. I don't really use contour when I do my makeup, so I feel like using a brightening concealer sort of gives that dimension to my face. Honestly, I don't use contour because I'm scared of them. I feel like it's not gonna look good when I do it. I'm using the same brush to blend these out. Okay, I hope that looks blended out because I can't really see what I'm filming. It's really trust the process with using a brightening concealer. I swear everything's gonna come together at the end. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and my T-zone using this Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's the Flawless Filter setting powder. I don't really know what they're called. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this sponge and just set under my eyes. A bit on my forehead. After that's done, use a blush of your choice, and I like to concentrate these right under my cheekbones because I feel like it gives me a bit of a shadow as well as giving me that flushed look. I've really been meaning to make talking videos, but I've got severe imposter syndrome. I just decided this morning that I am gonna be filming a video no matter what, and I'm gonna edit and post it even if I'm not happy with it, because that's what always happens. I film a video, I edit it, I do not like it, and then I delete it. Okay, so that's our base all done. Now to the fun part, which is the eye makeup. I have few suggestions for you guys. I really love the Maybelline Lasting Drama Kajal. I also really love the Tipsy Beauty Kajal. It's really pigmented and it lasts really long. I mean, so does all of these, but I feel like this one's really, I feel like this one comes on the top when it comes to pigment. I really love the Fay Beauty Kajal as well, but I feel like when I just wear it on my upper waterline, it sometimes transfers to my lower waterline, so maybe I should wait before I blink. So today I'm just going to be using the Tipsy Beauty Kajal. So the first thing that we do is line our entire waterline. Next, we're going to use the same kajal and draw a really messy line on our upper lash line. And just blend it out with our fingers. Like I told you, Tipsy Beauty is really pigmented, so little goes a long way. Don't worry if it's messy, it's all gonna come together. So the whole point of this eye look is to make your eyes look elongated and sharp. And that's where we need our liquid eyeliner. So to do that, take your liquid eyeliner, get all the excess product off of your brush. And then first we're gonna do our inner corners. And now for our outer corners, we're just gonna do a wing. And that's how I do my wing, but we're not done here yet. Next we need a brown lip liner or an eye pencil. I used to use a brown lip liner, and this one's Espresso by NYX. Just smudge it on the outer corners of your waterline. And then just use your pinky maybe to drag it. People also ask me if my eyeliner smudges by the end of the day. Honestly, it doesn't, because I feel like so many of you just do one line on your waterline and just leave it there, whereas I do multiple coats. If it's a really long day and you're doing too much, always carry your eyeliner with you. And next we're gonna apply tons of mascara. And this is my current favorite mascara. It's the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. That's our eye look done. Honestly, at this point, maybe we can try and clean up under our eyes using a concealer, but I really don't care. I kind of like this messy look. For my lips, I use the same lip liner from NYX. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. This is Warm Teddy by MAC. And I just dab it all over my lips. Honestly, I feel like this goes really well with all brown skin tones. Just pair it with a really dark brown lip liner and it looks amazing on everyone. I kind of like it when my lip liner is not blended with my lipstick. And that is the look that I did. So I hope you liked this video and this makeup look that I created. If you did, please recreate this and send this to me on my Instagram. I would love to see them. And now that I've figured out my filming setup and everything, I'm really confident that I can post a lot more videos. So if you have any suggestions or videos that you want me to post, please let me know in the comments or just DM me and I'll do my best to do it for you guys. And I will see you again next time.